Pleasant morning, everyone. In this session, we are going to learn least common multiple or LCM. What is meant by LCM? LCM of given numbers is the least number which is a multiple of all the given numbers. So a number which is a multiple of all the given numbers and the smallest such numbers. Now here we are going to find the LCM using the following methods. Number 1, listing method. Number 2, prime factorization method. Number 3, Venn diagram method. Number 4, short division method. First one, listing method. We are going to follow the following rules. First one, list the first some multiples of each number. Second one, look for multiples of common to both lists. If there are no common multiples in the list, write out additional multiples for each number. Third one, look for the smallest number that is common to both lists. So that is the LCM. Let us see an example. Find the LCM of 15 and 20 by listing multiples. Solution. List the several multiples of 15 and of 20. After that we can identify the common multiple. So first we need to write multiples of 15. So these are the multiples of 15. Next we need to write multiples of 20. So these are the multiples of 20. Now we need to find the common multiple. Here common multiples of 15 and 20 or 60 and 120, and then it's going on. So next step we need to find the smallest common multiple. The smallest number to appear on both lists is 60. So 60 is the least common multiple of 15 and 20. Here note down this one. 120 is on both lists too. It is a common multiple, but it is not the least common multiple. Let us see the next example. Find the LCM of 12 and 18 by listing multiples. Solution. List the first several multiples of 12 and of 18. After that identify the common multiple. So these are the multiples of 12 and these are the multiples of 18. Next we need to find the common multiples. So common multiples of 12 and 18, which is equal to 36, 72, and then it's going on. So here which is a common multiple? 36. So the smallest number to appear on both lists is 36. So 36 is the least common multiple of 12 and 18. Do you know the advantage and disadvantage of listing method? Let's see this one. Advantage. We did 2 examples. There we can find the answers easily. That numbers are smaller numbers, so we can find the answers quickly. Okay. So advantage is, for smaller numbers this method was very easy. But for larger numbers it's very difficult to find the answer and then time consuming. So that is disadvantage. Disadvantage. Find the LCM of 16 and 30 by listing multiples. To solution example, solution. First we can write some multiples. First we can write some multiples of 16 and of 30. Identify the common multiple. So multiples of 16 we can write like this. After that multiples of 30 we can write like this. Next, how we can find the common multiples of 16 and 30? Just we can combine both sets and then which is the common multiples of 16 and 30 we need to find. Here there is no common multiple. So again we need to find some more multiples and find the common multiple. So this will take more time. This is the disadvantage of listing method. So I am unable to find the answer. For smaller numbers we can do this method easily. For higher numbers we cannot do. So how we can find the answers for such numbers? Do we have a simplest method to find the LCM? Yes, fortunately we can do. This method is known as the prime factorization method.